Hey guys, in this video I'm going to briefly give an overview of our all-new ToolProof Pro application suite. This suite's been specifically designed to help you manage your tools both within your facility as well as out in the field. With easy checkout, return, tool transfers, robust reporting, as well as usage reports, you'll have everything you need to better manage your tools and stop losing them. Let's go ahead and check it out. Application users will have full access to all the tools within their facilities as well as out in the field. From the dashboard, you'll be able to see everything checked out, available, inactive, as well as track both serialized and unserialized tools. Filters are also available to find exactly what you're looking for as well. From the dashboard, you'll be able to see full item history, including date and timestamps, status, location, the employee, signatures, quantities, and ultimately this is just a great way to audit tool use across the entire company from one click. You can also easily see tools assigned to a specific employee when conducting an audit as well. This is super useful if employees moving job locations and you need to get the tools back, or if you have a need to offboard an employee from the company and you need to understand what they've been responsible for. And lastly, you have the ability to see a tool usage report with a configurable date field. This can be used if you need to calibrate tools and perhaps you need to know what tools haven't been in use for a long period of time. The applications work across iOS, Android, and Windows and support the ability to check out, return, and transfer tools between employees. It can be configured with barcoding as well as RFID and the ability to type in tool IDs or even tool names if you'd like. And this can also be set up as a kiosk if you prefer to manage your tools that way as well. Let's take a quick look at how easily you can check out a tool, return the tool, as well as transfer it. Note this option includes a signature confirmation which can be turned off as well if you'd like. From the tool transfers area, we have a couple different options. One, we can transfer tools to another employee and maintain that chain of custody, as well as accept tools transferred to us from another employee so we can assume responsibility of it. Note that this is tracked on the dashboard so you never lose line of sight, and I'm going to go ahead and initiate a transfer here, and then I'll accept it as another user so you can see the whole thing. Now, as the second user who received the transfer of tools, I'll go ahead and accept the transfer and I'll complete the handoff. That completes our quick overview of the ToolProof Pro application suite. Please note that because this suite has been built upon the MobileFrame platform, you have the ability to make changes to these applications, the workflows, the user interface, the user experience, without having to write any code. If you have any questions, please feel free to visit us on the web at mobileframe.com or reach out to a member of our team. Thanks.